Well, hello, Southern California hikers, and you from all around the country who are part of our class. We've made it through midterms, you've made it through midterms, and I just want to congratulate you and thank you for your efforts so far. A little summary here of what the whole plan of this class was, and is going to be, and where we go from here. We started out with movement, which is a huge part of our kinesiology classes down the line, and so 10,000 steps was the goal, and for some of you initially that just seemed almost impossible, but I suppose by now you've figured out it's not that big a deal. Knowing that you're going to get 3, 4, 500 or 3 or 4 or 5,000 steps in your normal day anyway, then to be able just to take a little bit of time and go for a walk and clear your head and listen to some great music or be with friends or watch some great scenery. Just get away and allow that exercise to do its job. So that's great. And then we added the relaxation phase, the place where we can control some of our reactions and responses and feel like we have more to do with our lives and just react to things that come along. And so we purposely develop a program that we can take a few minutes in different parts of the day to settle down, gain control, step back, reset, and then go again. And many of you, most of you, have probably used that as well at bedtime, and allowing you to stop thinking about the day and not worry about tomorrow and just be centered right there for a few minutes while you allow yourself to unwind enough to maybe fall asleep. Then we added a sleep program so that you could decide how many hours a night, the goal you're trying to get to, how many things you could control to maximize that chance to get that goal, whether it's how much time before bed that you turn off the blue screen, how much you eat and drink and exercise before you wind down, how much TV and all that, the music you might listen to, or the kind of more white noise, whether it's waves or recorded rain or something, that a fan in your room, something that allows you to have some people do better with some white noise background. And anyway, so hopefully you're finding those things out for yourself and getting a great amount of sleep each day, and at least giving yourself a chance to. Then we added from after that the nutrition part we just finished, and that's where we're just trying to control what we can control, and the amount of calories that we're going to consume. And if we want to gain weight, we're going to add more than we have been. If we're going to maintain weight, we're going to try to keep them pretty close to what we've been doing. If we're going to lose weight, we're going to drop those calories a bit. But not only that, what are the calories made of, and what percentage of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are we going to consume, and what do we want to be able to consume? What's our goal? And then making great choices in particular about the kinds of carbohydrates we're going to eat, and simple versus complex carbohydrates, and how that's going to affect our blood sugar and our chances of getting to our goals. All that put together is our program for the most health benefits that we can control in a simple manner. One unit class that we can, fold into our regular, everyday, busy lives. And hopefully those will become habits and things that you can kind of bank on and count on being consistent throughout your life. And that's what this class is for. I've kind of noticed from other classes and talking with students and the reactions that I get from others, and that the Zoom meetings, the ones that we do together where the whole class meets at once and we talk about things or get instruction, I think most of us feel zoomed out. And so I have not had those meetings and don't plan on having them. If you think that that's necessary, please go ahead and give me your feedback on that. I appreciate that very much. A little bit the same with discussions. You've got discussions in every academia class that are a big part of what you're doing, and I think they're very valuable. I like them in our class for the connection, but then again, if there's nothing really to discuss, I don't want to just make up something either. So we might be backing off those a little, as I kind of already have a bit. What we go from here is just practicing now what we're doing. This is just habit forming. Can we do it, 6 days a week at least, or more, for the rest of the semester? And you're going to journal that and give it to me, and every once in a while we'll be commenting on a great hike. I'd love for you to, again, show us some good video of that. Maybe in our discussions we can share those videos, and people can see where other people are hiking and some ideas that others are having in completing a great day's walk. So those will be kind of the things that we're looking forward to. Again, if you're having challenges with clarity and what's expected, if you're not being able to submit something that I've asked for, or if you have any other questions, please address those, and let's make sure we're on top of it. This virtual thing is exposing all of my IT shortcomings, and so it doesn't surprise me at all that there's going to be some challenges. And yet we're going to make this class be an incredible one. I hope it's one of the best ones that you have this semester. And so we'll just keep going forward. Wanted to check in with you, make sure you let me know if anything's up, what's happening. And anyway, it's been a pleasure, and will continue to be for the rest of this semester. But for now, I'll sign off. Live love. We'll talk to you later.